So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 1/3 horsepower garbage disposal from InSync aerator. It's the 100. We use the Badger 1. Home Depot labels it the 100. Then they have the Badger 5 and of course Home Depot 500. Anyways, 1/3 horsepower. You can see right there. That's the Badger. So brand new mounting gasket, not interchangeable with the old mounting gasket that was in there, and then of course mounting nut below. So everything's new putty, new disposal. We did clean this up somewhat. The air gap's brand new, that's ours. And then of course the discharge hose, we replaced that as well. It was pretty clogged, and you can clean that out, but just put a hose in and it's just easier than going out front and cleaning things up. Then of course the waste was tied in, the old Schedule 40 P-trap and extension and glued in place. What we've done is we've made a connection back there with a trap adapter and then gone over to tubular fitting. So what you've got right now, tubular P-trap, tubular extension, then of course a tubular telescoping kit for the disposal comes straight over, and then a brand new tailpiece coming down from the basket strainer. Now basket strainer is existing, that's not ours, so we don't warrant that, but that is our piece of plastic right there. All the nuts involved, that's all ours. Hose clamps not ours, they're in good shape, but we just reuse those, so that's good. One down there, and then of course the same two that were installed on the old air gap. So that's been thrown away, the old air gap gone. Got this new tube over to here. The other one, the 5/8 coming from the dishwasher, that's existing to the home, so that's not ours. So everything here, all the work we put in is warranted. We've tested it out, run lots of water down it. It doesn't look like there's any leaking. Any problems with it, give us a holler. We'll come back out right away, take care of it. Outside of that, this installation is done.